Assalamu alaikum students, Abdul Jabbar here, your Pakistani history teacher. Dear students, in this video lecture we will also be discussing and looking at the two nation theory and some other aspects of two nation theory and outlook of different political leaders like Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Allama Iqbal and Chaudhry Rahmat Ali on two nation theory. First of all, we will look at the two nation theory and Allama Iqbal. Dr. Allama Iqbal presented the idea of a separate state for Muslims. He said the Muslim would not allow that their religious, political and social rights are usurped. Therefore, I would like to see Punjab, Northwest Frontier Province, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Sindh and Balochistan put together into a single state or amalgamated into a single state. So, in the continuation of two nation theory, Allama Iqbal proposed that in the future years, in the future times, there would be no reconciliations between the Hindus and Muslims. Therefore, I would like to suggest the amalgamation of Muslim majority provinces such as North West Frontier provinces, KPK, Sindh, Balochistan and Punjabs into a single state. Now, two nation theory and Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. In January 1933, during his stay at England, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, along with some of his friends, published a pamphlet named Now or Never. It was also distributed among Indian politicians. In this pamphlet, the name of the separate state for Muslims was proposed as Pakistan. So, for the first time in 1933, the name for future Muslim state to be made to be established by the Muslims in India was proposed as Pakistan, and the credit of this proposal and this name for a new state goes to none but Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali was of the opinion that Muslim possessed history and civilization of their own, and on the basis of these two, their nationality is not Hindustani but Pakistani. He believed that the Muslims are a nation that is different from other nations living in India. Dear students, this was the outlook of Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, who said that from every definition, from outlook, from their background, Muslims are a separate nation and they deserve to have a country of their own, and he proposed even the name for that state, that country, as Pakistan in 1933 in his well-known pamphlet Now or Never. He wrote it in England and circulated among some Hindu sections and tried to convince the Muslims that this is their long cherished goal and final goal, and without which there would be no security of Muslim rights, Muslim beliefs, Muslim culture in India. So I hope, dear students, you have understood well. In the coming videos, we will be looking at the two nation theory and Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.